Welcome to Linux Help. This session we're going to see how to install and configure UFW Firewall in Linux Debian version 11.4. UFW or Uncomplicated Firewall simplifies firewall configuration by providing an interface to Iptables. Setting up a firewall correctly can be difficult for beginners with Iptables. Check the OS version by using following command. First check the UFW is installed or not. The UFW has not been installed. Now install the UFW by using following command. Check the firewall status by using following command. The firewall is not active. Enable the firewall by using following command. The firewall status is now inactive. After the firewall is activated, you can add your rules into the firewall. If you want to see the default rules, view by using follow. The UFW helps us to open a particular port to allow the access to a user and trigger it by using following command. We can also add a rule by using the insert command and display the status in numbered format by running the following command. To deny FTP command by using following command. Check the firewall status using following command. Next, allow the particular port by using following command. It also possible for you add a it also possible for you to add port range into the rule. If you want to open port from 2290 to 2300 with TCP protocol, then the command will be like this. If you want to use UDP, just use the following command. To allow connection from a specific IP address, use following command. You can also specify a specific port for the IP address that is allowed to connect by adding to any port following by the port number. You can also add a rule by using the insert command and display the status in numbered format by running the below command. Delete the rules from UFW by using following command. Disable the UFW firewall by using the below command. Finally, reset the UFW firewall services by using following command. The UFW firewall installation and configuration has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.